So this is the wig that I'm going to be getting into. My daughter has been playing with the packaging. The wig that I picked up is the Dark Roots Ombre No. 4 Brown Headband Wig. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys quickly, and then we're going to get into the wig install, and then I'm going to style it quickly, and we're going to keep it pushing. It comes in a black box like this. Okay, with the company logo there at the front in gold, pretty. And then this is what it looks like when you take the little sleeve off. All right. And then it just slides out kind of like some shoe boxes, okay? And then on the top are the headbands. So it looks like I have 1, 2. So it looks like there are 4 different headbands to choose from. Immediately, I'm going to the black one because I love just like a good neutral. Looks like they're all the same pattern, which is the bandana pattern. So the wig comes in a little plastic Ziploc, a long one. Ooh, and that color is beautiful. Yeah, it's lovely. So the length that I got is the longest length, which is I believe the 24 inches, so she is long. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, maybe I should have got a shorter one, but it's okay. I kind of wanted this to be my like grab and go wig, you know, run an errand wig, especially since it's it looks super easy to install. Now that I see how long she is, I think what I had in mind versus what I wanted her for is clearly not aligning, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do to begin is I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges, and then I'm gonna put her on, and then I think I'm gonna do like a half up, half down style, and yeah.
Identified with my mistakes. Even as a young married man, it's hard to really catch a break.
Right. So this is what it looks like here. There's a band, and then there is also an adjustable strap in the back, which is nice. It's Velcro so that you could tighten it to make sure it's secure. She also has clips. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 at the top and then 2 in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on.
Bring me back to the garden. It was full of your glory. Lord, send me the location. On behalf of even Adam, we're sorry. Bring me back to the garden. Genesis chapter 2 verse 7. God gave man the breath of heaven, and he came to life. Soon after blessed him with a wife, and he named her Eve. They were good to eat off.
So you just want to make sure you cover the black band.
Solo, Adam, why you gotta go solo? Since they didn't listen.
So this is what the wig looks like after it is installed. I am here for it. For me, it's super long. I love the color. I love the way it looks. I think I'm gonna try to style it and do like a half up, half down situation. I think that would be beautiful with the length of this hair. The hair is really silky, extremely, extremely silky. There are some shed hairs. You know, most wigs, I don't think you can necessarily avoid that. It's not unmanageable. Like in my brush, after combing it through, there's like 3 little hairs. And so, especially for the length of this wig, I would consider that okay. I'm not too sure how they colored this hair, but I do think that it feels like color, like a weave when it's colored. It is very silky, it's not dry, but I think there is a very different feeling when you run your hair through a color treated piece or color treated extensions as opposed to those that are not. So let's go ahead and get into this half up, half down do. So this is the half up, half down situation. I think it's really cute. I would go ahead and probably add some curls to this, just given the way that it's looking. I do like it straight, but I do tend to like a little bit more, you know, volume. I would also probably wear it back for more practical life, and you know, if it was like an event or something you're trying to show out, then you bring the hair forward because you really want the color to frame your face. But I really like it. I think that the band here, the band under this headband might be a little too thick. So the headband is knotted. I'll show you on one of the other ones. The headband is knotted, and so where the knot is, it's cinched in a bit, and then I feel like you can see a little bit of, you know, the headband. It's not a humongous deal, especially if you're standing eye level to somebody. This is what I mean. This is what I mean by it's knotted. It's just like a link. And so compared to the thickness on the back, this is gonna be a lot tinier. Overall, I like it, I love it, I'm here for it, especially, you know, when you're trying to run like the glam errand. I think this could be pretty cool. I think what's also really cool about this wig is that you can change out your headband. But now the only issue that you probably run into is that you need to get a headband that's thick enough. I do wish that perhaps the band that comes on the wig was a little bit shorter. I still think the wig works. I still think it's cute. I love the color. I love that it's extremely versatile. You know, you can curl it, put it half up, half down, do two pigtails, do whatever it is that floats your boat. And so this wig is definitely for the girl on the go that just wants, you know, a good wig to just pick up with quick, super easy installation. It literally took me like a minute to install. Y'all, you guys saw it. It does not take long at all. I think this would be also cute to do like a top bun or something like that. We got ourselves a on the go type of wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave everything down in the description bar below. If you're enjoying, you know, this hair content, like, subscribe, stick around a bit, you know. And until the next video, bye guys.